Get to know the machine, basic information about the machine. This machine actually comes with four cabin heads, four etiquette. This cabin head is controlled by servo model, and normally when the bottle is here, this sensor check see the bottles, they just start to capping. This is normal how it works. That's from the beginning. Okay, one main machine here, and this we have two caps feeder. One is here, the other one is on that side. So the caps loading to the conveyor on back, conveyor and ready, moving into conveyor and this tracks. So the caps feeding from that side to this part, sitting here, waiting for the next action. Now the bottles coming this way. So bottles coming this way. Here the sensor. You can see the sensor here. When this sensor sees the bottle, this rod will running and move the bottle in into this station. And when the bottles into this station, the sensor sees the bottles. The sensor sees the bottles. This clamp hold the bottles, and this capper take caps from here and turning. This is how it works. And this screw rod every time they run setting distance. We have a sensor here. The sensor here to check the position. Let it stop. Every time stop the same position. The cabin head, you can tell from here, total 9 servers, up down, 4 up down, 4 capping, and 1 here to control this one. So we use a program to control the server turning. For server, it always needed to fix the original place, zero place, like this one. All comes with the sensor. This sensor to give the original place. So we needed to make sure all the sensors work properly. Once the sensor, the position is off, this placement, the position will change. So get a problem. Okay, when this is working, this is the caps loader, caps feeder. The caps you can tell from here. This one, the caps here, and there is a very strong magnetic to take the cap to this position. After capping, another sensor here, another sensor check the bottles once full. The bottles here are full. This get a signal. The machine will get a stop because it will impact the coming of the falling bottles. So the machine get a stop. But if we can control this one and also this one, this function works or not. if we don't want to use this function, we can switch it off from here. So this is the switch to control these two sensors. Let's use the S T. Okay, switch off. This is we explain this later. Okay, now we know how it works. You can see there's an alarm here. Once something is wrong, this alarm will be on. Like this one. Like this one, the door is open. It said the door is open because here we have a safety control for the door. If we close this, it will disappear. Yeah, that alarm is disappear. It disappear. No door open that alarm. But now is please reset. That means the machine is not ready to run because this server not to the right position yet. Every time we start the machine, when everything's ready, we need to reset first. Reset to get all this server to the right position. But now because the door is open, so we okay, we check the reset everything. Now you see how it works, and now it says reset finished. When reset is finished, we can run the machine. But one important thing is here. This is the air supply, air pressure. So before we run the machine, we need to make sure this one, the air supply is good. If air supply is shut off, it will get a problem for the some parts controlled by the air cylinder, like this one. Or this part controlled by air cylinder. Also this controlled by the air cylinder. They will stop. Even the servo start to work, but this will stop there. So we need to make sure the air is good. The air is good when it's running. Okay, so overall for the moving part controlled by the servo motor, also by the air cylinder with air. And you can tell from here, we can use this handle to adjust the space to make sure the bottle will be put to the right position. Center to center to the head is important. So every time the caps is here, the bottle should be center to center to make sure they have good match. So this is the function. This is the function of this clamp. We call it clamp to correct the bottle position to make sure it is center to center with this one. And another air cylinder here to move this one in and out. Also an air cylinder. Okay, when everything is ready, now we can start the machine. But you can see with this door open, we cannot run the machine at all. Just a second. 是通下电。 Yeah, this is the air to the machine. Okay, you can see now the air is on. The air is on. This is the how to adjust the pressure. Normally, keep the pressure point 6 to point 5 is okay. Yeah, this one we lift up to adjust, and when it's ready, push it down to lock it. This is the air. Okay. Now here it says the reset finished. That means the server is in position. Now we can start the machine. But no, you can see no reaction because this alarm door is open. So we cannot open this. We cannot start this. We need to close this. And you can tell from here, now the machine is ready. No alarm. Now we can actually start the machine. Okay, stop. When we stop the machine, it back to please reset again. That means we need to reset the motor again. Only when this is the finished and this is the alarm is off, we can start the machine. 这个先关了吧，先这样。